Anong oras na ba? Hala, dito pala ako. Para nakakagawa. Okay naman ako.
Hey, kaya mo na yan. Search mo na.
Oo, search mo na lang.
Nakakatamad naman. Search ko na lang kaya. Ethics. Or... huwag na lang.
So in the first scenario, we can clearly see that it is an example of deontology wherein he's late and he needed to answer his quiz. So in order to answer his quiz, he has to choose in his three options. Option 1 was to answer it by cheating or copying. Option 2 was to answer it by searching on the Google or internet. And number 3, which he used following rules of deontology.
In Kant philosophy, we are bound by a universal law. Kant believed that ethics was about having a good will, that is, a will to do what is right simply because it's right. Not because it will feel good, not because it produces the best outcome, but that is what must be done. Deontology is simple to apply. It just requires that people follow the rules and do their duty. This approach tends to fit well with our natural intuition about what is it or isn't ethical. Unlike consensualism, which judge action by the result, deontology doesn't require weighting the costs and benefits of situation. This avoids uncertainty and subjectivity because you only have to follow a set of rules. Despite its strength, rigidly following deontology can produce results that many people find acceptable. Another example of deontology is when you made a promise with your coworker that you will be partners in business presentation. But you learn that your coworker will or might tarnish your reputation. And you're hesitant that you will break that promise because knowing that your coworker will tarnish your reputation and it might be against the law of deontology. So, following the rules make deontology easy to apply, but also means disregarding the possible consequence of our action when determining what is right or what is wrong.
Deontology is an ethical theory that uses rules to distinguish right from wrong. It is often associated with philosopher Immanuel Kant. Kant believed that ethical actions follow universal moral laws such as don't lie, don't steal, don't cheat.
One of the advantages of deontological theories is that can provide clear rules to follow, make it easy to determine what is right and wrong. Unlike the other theories, deontology does not require weighing the cost of benefits and a situation, which avoid the subjectivity and uncertainty.
Uy, RJ, nakita mo na ba yung mga nakapost na score sa Google Classroom? Sa quiz natin sa ethics?
Hindi pa eh.
Naglabas na! Hayas ka!
Talaga ba?
Oo.
Tignan ko nga.
Buti na lang mas napili kong sagutin ng hindi sa pangangopya. Akala ko kasi mas magpapadali at mas makakakuha ko ng mataas na score. Kung gagawin ko yun, buti na lang talaga.
Is it always morally right for individuals to prioritize fulfilling their duties, even in circumstances where doing so might jeopardize their own safety or well-being?